ad spend gets you introduced to more people than before, and you can have a conversation with them. And we break that down in previous episodes where we walk through Facebook, we walk through Instagram, LinkedIn, we walk through YouTube as well, because the focus of the game there is to put yourself in a position where you are seen everywhere. The last thing that I'm going to close up with, as Grant Cardone cackles across the room, is we're going to talk about this focus here, which is be visible. This is the ROI, this is the game, this is the ROI, this is the game, that is the ROI right there, that you yourself as an individual, if you want to make more money, if you want to grow your business, if you want people to see you, you have to do this. You do not make money hiding. You do not make money being invisible. You make money because people know that you're there and people know that you exist. The more that you promote, the more that you write, the more that you get into communication, the better off it is going to be for you, and make something out of yourself so that people can find exchange and value in what you're bringing into the marketplace. And we have Grant Cardone, who just walked in here right now to our live mastermind. Maybe he's going to throw down on visibility and ROI and all that good stuff.
Dude, look, I need a mic, right?
Yes.
A mic. Hey, look. If you guys are having money problems, how many people on right now? We got thousands of people watching right now. Look, if you don't have money right now, it's because nobody knows you. Okay? Me and Jerry just did a calculation on what it cost me from the age of 30 years old till 51. We wasted $220 million. $220 million because we were not branding. We weren't remarketing. Go grab. Let me have this a second, and grab the media packet that we just put together. Okay. By the way, we've been working for weeks now to prepare for our boot camp on a marketing and branding package, a media package that Robert and myself have been working on, so that you guys don't make the same mistake I've been making. Okay. I made this mistake from 29 years old. Part of it was because I was brought up to save everything rather than get known. You guys need to go into debt, man. You got to call Uncle Visa, Uncle MasterCard, Uncle American Express, and use that money to get known, okay? Debt is not your problem. Your biggest problem is this: nobody knows you. If they don't know you, they ain't going to flows you. Call me up, 305-865-8668. I'm on. I'm hot. I'm busting. If they don't knows you, they ain't going to flows you. Because they don't knows you, you don't get money. If you have a money problem, it's because nobody knows you. Okay, if Kanye goes to jail tonight, people will get him out. He can hire a lawyer. Folks, the system is stacked against you. Little man loses. David and Goliath is a bullshit story. Okay? And by the way, if David beat Goliath, it only happened once. The big boys win. Coca-Cola beats out the little guy. Pepsi-Cola wins. Caterpillar wins. Facebook wins. Amazon wins. These guys are on TV every day. You don't do what winners do. Elon Musk is on TV every single day, and he's worth billions of dollars. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, on TV constantly. Bill Gates, one of the richest people in the world, on TV constantly, collaborating, connecting, networking, and getting known. You got to get known. It's called marketing and branding. Okay? Cost me $220 million to not be known. Best product does not win. Listen to what I'm telling you. 305-865-8668. 305-865-8668. We're not public right now. We're private. Okay, check this out. Best product does not win. The best known product wins. That's why everybody's all, no, don't worry about it. That's why you guys are all like, man, why does my competition's got an inferior product and they beat me? The best known product beats the best product every time, okay? So you need to work with Robert if it's not happening for you. You need to work with Robert to figure out what it's going to take so that you repurpose all your content. Every single idea you had should be going out blasting on a YouTube, a Twitter, a Snapchat, a LinkedIn. I don't have time for this. Let Robert do it for you. Borrow some damn money from Fort Knox. It's all made up bullshit anyway. You borrow some pieces of paper that are worthless. He throws it on the internet, tells a story for you, and cross your damn fingers, and maybe some dumbass finds out about you and buys your shit. Right now, you guys are trying to sell into a market. They don't know you, man. 2 reasons people don't buy from you. They don't know you or they forgot you. They're the same damn reason. You get known for a second. You go to your local television station and they do that. You're a hero in your local market. You're in Idaho Springs and you save somebody and you get on TV. Okay? There was a damn bridge fell. You jumped over. You did a Superman. You saved the little baby. You swam out, you grew some wings, you flew up on the bridge, saved them, and they caught it on TV. Okay, you're going to be on your local TV for a day, maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days. You're going to be on Good Morning America next week, and I guarantee you, okay, in 3 weeks, your business will not have grown. Nobody will know you. Okay, nobody will know you. Nobody will do anything with you. They're going to forget you. Why? Because the 3 weeks after your little bridge account, and you saved some kid and you got some, oh my God, man, they're going to know me everywhere. I was in the local paper and I was on then people are going to forget about you because there's going to be some new news, okay? Something new's going to happen. You got to keep getting known. I had a billionaire friend. This guy, he went public with his company the same week 9/11 happened. He was in line to make $10 billion. And 9/11 happened that week. And guess what happened? His announcement went to shit, okay? Had nothing to do with him, dude. And they didn't have a plan B on how to get marketing and branding the week after. So you got to get known. It is the devastation of my business. It's what I didn't know when I was 29 years old, 30 years old. I was told, fly under the radar, play it small, play a niche market, take care of a handful of people. And it kept me from making so much money that I should have been making for myself, my family, and my business. Once me and Robert started working on our YouTube channels, our Facebook, our LinkedIn, we started putting these together with articles, videos. We started cross-promoting with other people. We started pushing multi-purposing content that this thing blew up. He can show you, we were looking at YouTube videos today. First YouTube video had 4 views. 4 views. When was that, 2007? 2007. Okay. So I think that whole year we had how many views? 40,000? 50,000 views in the first year on YouTube. Dude, I get 20,000 every day, every single day. And you ought to see, on one video, you ought to see this chart just blowing up to where critical mass hits you, okay? But look, if you're going to market and advertise and brand and get known, this is a long play. It's not a short play. This is investing in yourself. This is not spending money. Oh man, I don't want to spend it. What's my ROI? If you're even asking the ROI question, you do not understand marketing, branding, advertising, and you don't understand what it's going to cost you if you're not known. It's going to cost you everything. So work with Robert. Every week you need to be here. This is a private channel, right? Private group, okay? We're going to expand this in our boot camp. I'm going to be spending a day and a half. Actually, all 3 days, we're going to be blending this marketing idea into it. You're going to be seeing me take people's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat accounts apart and showing them where they need to add content, where they need to add messaging. We're going to spend Friday, Saturday, and Sunday doing that. If you don't have your seat to the boot camp, grab it now. Work a deal out with Robert. Call him right now at his number. Work a deal with him. Get him here. Get your CFO here. Whoever's holding your company up, whoever's thinking too little, get them here. Thursday night, be here, or Friday morning. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're going to show you how to blow up your brand. We're going to talk about the business cycle, the sales cycle, and we're going to come back and talk about marketing and branding, advertising, when to spend it, when not to, where to spend it, where not to, how valuable retargeting is, okay? How to tie your social media campaigns to your email campaigns so that they're just hooked in so one triggers the other. Look, if nobody knows you, right? You can't get on Shark Tank if nobody knows you. You got to get known to get on Shark Tank. You got to go do a damn audition. We're showing you how to audition to the entire planet using the channels that already exist. You don't have to create a TV channel. All you got to do is land in the channel with some great content that gets people's attention and then follow that up with more content. All right, I'm going to give it back to Robert Syslo, or we're over. We might be done for the day. Shit, Robert's been busting it in here. I dropped in on you. You never know when it's going to happen. Also, grab your free seat to the 10X Growth Conference, the biggest single entrepreneurial event in the history of the world, and I want you to have a free seat. We ought to have a whole marketing just for 10X Media people.
We should.
Okay. We're going to get all our 10X Media people as ambassadors. Okay. All right, Robert.
Thank
take
you,
it
sir.
away. Hey, if I don't know you, it's your damn fault, not mine.
Boom. That's good. That's good. Man, he dropped in on me there. I love that. Love it when the G-Man dropped. Oh, so sick. It happened to me finally. Finally, I've been waiting. I'm like, it's been 13 weeks. When's he going to drop in already? And he just did. He just didn't. He just delivered everything that we talked about. I think we just talked about all of that stuff again, but it's awesome when the G-Man comes in, he rocks and rolls, and he says the same thing to you that we have been discussing for what, 43 minutes now? 43 minutes now. I want to take that whole section, and I'm going to use that for marketing. That's what I'm going to do. The whole time he jumped in, I'm like, I was so excited because I see opportunities everywhere, and that's what you need to do. And that's what we're going to help you with. That's what I help you with every single week. Remember, you got to get your profile right. You got to get your social profiles right. Don't be the little man down here being like, no, don't talk to me. No, be the one that comes out and says, my name is Robert Syslo. I'm here to help you every single week in our weekly masterclass and also in your advertising campaigns. I'll see you next Wednesday. You all take care. Bye.